If you're experiencing login issues on Phemex, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. If your connection is weak or intermittent, it may prevent you from logging in. Try switching to a different network or resetting your router. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes, accumulated cache and cookies can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. This can help refresh your session and resolve any conflicts. Step 4. Disable VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN or proxy, it may interfere with your login process. Disable these services temporarily and attempt to log in again to see if this resolves the issue. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Phemex customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue and they will help you troubleshoot further. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues on Phemex. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from the support team.